Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial and on this channel, you will learn innovative techniques to create beautiful and unique woolen crafts. This very video will teach you how to transform ordinary wool and beads into a unique decor that will add a touch of elegance to any project. Just as you have seen, I wrapped wool on my four fingers for 15 times. What I did next was to attach needle at the extension of the wool. Sew 4 times, each time, and attach a bead. Continue in that process until you get to the point you began. Fold the woolen design into 3 parts. Tie and secure each part. Attach a medium-sized bead at the center. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon.